video to fix audio issues in Monster Hunter Wilds. Are you facing crackling sounds, missing game music, or no sound at all while playing? This usually happens because of outdated drivers, wrong audio settings, or conflicts in the game files. Most solutions you find on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and hard to follow. But today, I'll show you a secret trick that solves this problem in just a few clicks without touching complicated settings. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below, and I'll guide you through it. Make sure to follow Rex's for more easy gaming fixes that actually work.